Hi everyone, I am Mami Sika, your number one Kasoa ambassador, and I am back on your screens today with some really exciting content that I think you need to hear. And today we're going to be talking about a certain special place that I think you should invest in right now if you are looking into investing in Ghana. You know how places like East Legon, Tema, Achimota used to be places that nobody wanted to live, nobody wanted to invest in, but today the people that moved into those areas early have been able to build wealth off the potential they saw of those places. Yeah. There's another place in Ghana that has the same potential and it is rapidly growing right now. Can you guess where this place is? I'm gonna give you 2 seconds to guess. If you guess Kasoa, you are right. It's absolutely Kasoa. For the past 10 years, Kasoa has rapidly developed. Almost 1 million people have moved into Kasoa in the past decade. And you know what this means? This means that there are so many opportunities that are brewing in Kasoa. And now is the time for you to take advantage of that so you don't get left out on the next big thing. Obviously, right now, lands in Accra are impossible to buy. So more and more people are moving into suburban areas around Accra. And Kasoa happens to be one of the biggest areas that people live in and work in Accra. And it makes sense for them to live there. The potential Kasoa has is evident. I mean, when you look at the population growth alone in the past decade, over 500,000 to 1 million people have moved to Kasoa in the past decade alone. So you can imagine the amount of demand that Kasoa has. I mean, right now, lands in Kasoa are selling for $40,000 and up. Lands that used to sell for $10,000 just a few years ago are now selling for $40,000 and even $50,000 and up. So Kasoa is one of those places that if you don't act quickly, you will easily be priced out of very soon. A lot of people knew Kasoa to be a market by the roadside, but it's really not that anymore. Right now, Kasoa is a high demand rental zone. If you have rental properties in Kasoa, they're going to rent out really fast. I've spoken to some landlords that build short stay and long stay rental properties, and they were all really excited about the demand that their rental properties had. So that alone should tell you the kind of demand that Kasoa has. Kasoa is also home to residential estates and huge commercial hubs. I mean, the Central Business District, which is basically the Kasoa market area, is overflowing with businesses. I mean, the petty traders there alone are over 1,000, and there are also big businesses that have opened in the area, and they're all doing very well because there are so many people there, and it's being positioned as such a high traffic area just means that more and more businesses are going to move there and more customers are going to go there to purchase whatever they need to purchase. This kind of urbanization is exactly where wealth is created because anything at all is a business opportunity. When people move into an area, you know that they're going to need healthcare, they're going to need education, they're going to need transportation, they're going to need delivery services, cleaning services, warehouses, shops, beauty spas, entertainment centers. I mean, it's overflowing with opportunities. So if you are really looking into investing in Kasoa right now, you should do it. I'll be doing a subsequent video where I break down the kind of businesses you can do with Kasoa if you have land or you do not have land in Kasoa. So stay tuned for that. Another reason why you need to pay attention to Kasoa right now is because the government of Ghana is undertaking a project called the Big Push, where they are basically developing areas outside of Accra so that other urban or suburban areas in Ghana can become full urban areas. And Kasoa is one of the places that the government of Ghana is focusing on. Recently, the informal market was demolished and they're going to be building modern market infrastructure to make the market a more beautiful, sanitary, and safe place to shop. Also, the government is undertaking a huge road expansion project that is starting in Kasoa and going all the way to Winneba. The road that used to be a dual carriage road is being transformed into a full-blown highway with 8 lanes. So think George Bush Road, or if you're in the US, think the I-5 or I-405 or I-20. That's the kind of road development that's going on there. As you already know, when the roads are developed, businesses will just boom. And another thing that's going to happen is the land prices will shoot up. So if you have land in Kasoa, you are sitting on a gold mine. You can turn your land into millions for you. You can either just wait for the land to appreciate and then sell it, or you can also add value to the land by putting up a structure for any kind of business, whether it be an event center, a warehouse, or a manufacturing plant, and you will make so much money. Another reason why you should look into investing in Kasoa in 2026 is because Kasoa has become one of the safest places to do business in Ghana. I mean, yeah. A lot of people have said that Kasoa was unsafe in the past, and I strongly disagree. I will say that sure, there have been some instances that some criminal activity went on in Kasoa, but those criminal activities don't have a chance to go on anymore because the avenues in which these criminal activities went on no longer exist. An example is the Liberia camp that was demolished. The Liberia camp used to house refugees from Liberia for years, and it got to a point where it became like a shanty town where a lot of criminals hanged out and just, ravaged the whole area. But that was demolished about 3 years ago, and that whole area has been turned into a full-blown market, and also a school and a hospital have been built around that area. So it's no longer a danger zone, it's now a market hub. And so the safety concern is not as high as it used to be. Kasoa is very safe. I lived in Kasoa most of my life. I still live in Kasoa when I'm in Ghana, and I would rather live in Kasoa than Accra. I would never choose Accra over Kasoa. So if you're thinking about safety, you're covered because it's a very safe place. And I have to shout out to the Ghana police for doing a great job to maintain the peace and security in Kasoa. They have done patrols in places that were high-risk areas. They have basically driven away the criminals or imprisoned them. So they're no longer in the area. And so now it's super safe. You can walk at night and do whatever you want to without having to look over your shoulder for anything. So that's another reason. Another reason to move to Kasoa is because it's actually a little bit cooler than Accra. You know how barely any trees exist in Accra anymore? Yeah, that's not the case in Kasoa. Kasoa is still very green, and that means that you're not exposed to the extreme heat from the sun. So you can walk around freely without being scorched, and also the access to the beach is so straightforward. Kasoa has some of the most beautiful and clean beaches in Ghana, and it's just minutes away from 5-star beach resorts in Ghana. So it's a nice place to work hard and also just go and relax when you're tired of all the hustle and bustle. And that's one of the things that makes Kasoa truly unique. Another reason why you should be looking into investing in Kasoa is because Kasoa has a pretty established central business district that is booming. When I say booming, it is booming. And so there's so many jobs that are being created in Kasoa from all these businesses that are in Kasoa, and there are so many opportunities to do other businesses in Kasoa. And so if you are looking for a job or you are looking for any kind of business, Kasoa is probably one of the best shots for you. And it's actually better to live in Kasoa and work in Kasoa because that means you don't have to commute to Accra or wherever you need to go for work every day. You can just live in Kasoa and do all your rounds you have to do in Kasoa. Who doesn't want that? I do. Now, the final reason why you should be looking into investing in Kasoa today is because the affordability window in Kasoa is slowly closing. 10 years ago, you could get a house in Kasoa for 50,000 Ghana cedis, which is about $5,000. In today's currency, today you cannot get that in Kasoa. You can't even get that in most places in Ghana. Now, houses in Kasoa are going for about 50 to $60,000 to $100,000. There are houses in Kasoa that are selling for $200,000 now. Those are like mansions, but yeah, there are houses in Ghana there are houses in Kasoa that are selling for about $200,000. So the affordability window is slowly closing. If you're not acting now, you're later going to regret your decisions because it's never going to get cheaper. It won't. It won't. Especially when the road is done, the market is fully constructed. Stop. It's only going to get more expensive. If you're looking to buy a house in Kasoa from anywhere in the world, there's a company in Kasoa that has been building houses in Kasoa for more than 20 years. They are very reliable, they are trusted. They've developed more than 2,000 housing units, and what I love about them is that they love to focus on affordability and quality at the same time. I'm not talking about any other company than Blue Rose Limited. Blue Rose Limited offers people quality but affordable housing. Houses starting at $750,000, which is about 62,000. Oh, my bad. 750,000 Ghana cedis. Ooh, that would have been expensive. Which is about, if you use the 12 conversion rate, it's about $62,500. Right now in Ghana, that's one of the most affordable houses you will find. And these are not tiny houses. These are well-sized houses. They have 2-bedroom houses. They have 3-bedroom houses. They have 4-bedroom houses. And they could even build a 5-bedroom house for you if you want one. So if you are interested in that, just email me at wamisika2002@gmail.com and I will connect you with them and you can buy the house of your dreams in Kasoa. So that is all for this video. I really just wanted to inform you guys about the state of Kasoa in 2026. It's no longer some small town by the roadside anymore. It's no longer that dangerous place that everyone used to talk about. It's no longer a bush. Kasoa is a small city that's going to become a huge metropolitan in a few years to come. And I do not want you to miss out on it. So I had to come give you the details, okay? So yeah, stay tuned for the upcoming video where I talk about businesses that will thrive in Kasoa in 2026. You do not want to miss it. Remember that woara, but life is how you make it. I am Mamisika, your #1 Kasoa ambassador, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace. I'm out.